All right. We're in the nature center. Peyton and Braden got point. Let's go. We in the middle. Kinda, I think. I don't know. Here, let's take a look around. Take a look around. Here we are. In the nature center. Deep in the woods. In the middle of Norman. Go left. Let's go left. We could have went right.
That's a horse apple.
Oop. But we're picking left. Hey, show us that cool Celtic. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that.
It's a Viking compass.
It's awesome. Go right. Hold on. Let me show the people on YouTube though. Who's ever watching?
Right?
Hold on, man. Let's show them. Got a fork in the road. Could go left, but I think that's towards the path. We're gonna go right. Hey, look at that cool tree though. Hold on. It's kind of neat, huh? You guys see that? It's kind of cool.
It's on to go to my tree.
Hey, y'all know what? Go ahead and walk in front of me. Everybody but Haley. Go ahead. Now, Haley doesn't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna let her not be in the video.
Can you sponsor my video?
Huh?
Subscribe and all that.
Well, yeah, sure. Tell them about your video, man. Tell them about your channel.
What I do for videos, I make science experiments and martial arts.
What's the name of the channel, bro?
Braden Reigns.
Braden Reigns. So like Braden's channel, man. He's pretty cool. Kid friendly. He don't cuss and stuff like I do. It's pretty neat stuff. Braden's, I don't know really. Let's just check it out. Braden's a green belt name that's bone breaking, so he does know his stuff. Yeah, oh, we made the water. So yeah, man, we're just walking around the Norman Nature Center over off of Porter by Rock Creek. It's pretty cool. We've been around, but the cool thing is there's always different paths and stuff. So maybe we were here, maybe not. But it's cool to walk around and see stuff. So here's one of the ponds. A while back, this sucker was dry. We walked in the middle of it. So do we need to turn around? Is that what we're saying?
Yeah. He says that's a snake hole.
Where? Over there?
Yeah, it was like in the tree.
Oh, well, let's see it. Let's show YouTube the snake hole.
Snake pops out while running. Haley, I'm gonna need you got some cheese.
Oh yeah, that might be. Something's probably living over there.
That's not a snake hole.
You don't think so? Come on, Chris. A lot of cotton. This is one of the, like what? I mean, don't quote me, but I say that I think got between 3 to 5 ponds over here. It's pretty neat. I wouldn't go swimming or nothing like that. Yeah, I don't think it's allowed anyway. Yeah, I don't think I'd eat this stuff because it was dry a while back, remember? So here's a little bank. I think there's another one on the side over there.
They used to have stuff.
Want to walk up the bank here?
There's a brick here. You can see that down.
Y'all don't get to, hold on. We got to go over here. I'll let the girls. We don't want no
they
inappropriate
build
videos.
stuff here.
Yeah.
Because they have bricks like that.
Easy, bub. Watch your step.
Snow. Oh my god.
All right, what's up?
Honey, it looks like snow.
Oh, wow. Check that out. Look at all that stuff.
Cotton.
Wasn't that, ain't that,